It's time for us to get an introduction to Jest, Vitest and React testing library. Well, what exactly are Jest and Vitest? Well, there are simply test runners for JavaScript and TypeScript. They provide us ways to organize and run our tests, and also they provide great functionality for mocking and matching. We will later see in the course what these are. And Jest and Vitest share most of the syntax and functionality. So inside this course I will provide, while I will show you the resources and the lectures, I will show you, or I will demonstrate with Vitest, but the same can be said for Jest. When there are differences, I will point them out. There are a few key differences between Jest and Vitest. Vitest on one hand is faster, works better with TypeScript and has an easier integration with projects generated by Vite. On the other hand, Jest is developed by Meta, so the same, let's say, company that develops React, and it is more popular as I'm recording this course. Here you can see a screenshot from the npm trends for both Jest and Vitest. You can see currently Jest is more downloaded, but I don't know how these numbers will look in the future. Now let's also talk about React testing library. It is a lightweight solution for testing React components, and it gives us functions on top of React DOM and React DOM test in a way that encourages better testing practices. And there's a guiding principle behind React testing library. Its main focus is for the tests to resemble the way we are using the React component as users. So from programmatically we can use the same React component as we will interact with it from a web browser as users. And this gives us more confidence into our tests. Let's now move on to the next lecture and initialize a React project with Vite.